Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Atlas hood. First, you will need to locate the hood release lever. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, usually beneath the dashboard near the door sill. Once you find it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, and the front edge of the hood will pop up slightly, indicating it has been unlatched from its primary lock. Now, walk to the front of your Volkswagen Atlas. The hood is still partially closed, held by a secondary safety latch. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You will need to feel around for a small lever or tab. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally while driving, adding an extra layer of safety. Once you have located the secondary safety latch, you will typically need to either push it to the left or lift it upwards. The exact motion might vary slightly, but it will be intuitive. This action fully disengages the final lock, allowing the hood to be lifted completely open. Be gentle but firm as you operate this mechanism to avoid any damage. With the hood now fully open, you will need to secure it in place using the prop rod. Look for a thin metal rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood itself. Swing the prop rod out and insert its end into the designated hole or slot, which is typically found on the engine bay frame. Ensure the rod is firmly seated and the hood is stable before you begin any work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.